Today we are discussing Silas Marner. So it is important to know about the writer. Actually, it is written by George Eliot, and it was a novel set in the early years of the 19th century. Actually, he belonged to a community that was known as a Weaver community. He was a member of a small family, and the setting of the novel that the person Silas belonged to a Weaver community, and according to its author George Eliot, which is written by George Eliot, it is a story of old-fashioned village life filled with realism and humor. Silas Mariner Silas Marner lives for a long time without any connection to other human beings or his youthful faith in God, though he doesn't struggle to find purpose and connection in his life. The novel is about his recovery of purpose, faith, and community through his finding Epi. So here is the story, and the central character is Silas, who lives in a village for a long time without any connection. Actually, he had an isolation, and he was isolated from the mainstream of the society, and he believed in God. He doesn't struggle to find purpose and connection in his life, and that is why he was isolated himself. So I told you something about the setting. Now we are moving the characters. So what is there in the character? Let me discuss, or let me find out some important characters here. So I am discussing some of the major characters of Silas Marner, the novel which was written in the early 19th century, and it was written by George Eliot, the famous writer, and it was his best work, one of his best work it was. So the central character in the topic, Silas Marner. Let me speak something about Silas Marner, a simple, honest, and kind-hearted weaver. After losing faith in both God and his fellow men, Silas lived for 15 years as a solitary miser. He was living isolated. He didn't have relationship with others because at first he believed in God and his fellow relatives, but later on, due to some incident, he didn't believe anyone, and he also didn't believe in God, and he lived isolated. That means he didn't have any relationship with his relatives. And Silas lived for 15 years as a solitary miser. Solitary miser, there is a word called solitary miser. Nirjanare baso kariba, that is solitary miser. And after his money is stolen, his faith and trust are restored by his adopted daughter. But his daughter, Epi, tried to restore his faith in God, and that is why Epi is introduced here in this novel. So next character, Godfrey Cass, the eldest son of Squire Cass. Godfrey is good-natured but selfish and weak-willed. He knows what is right but is unwilling to pay the price for owing his conscience. So here another character is introduced here, the eldest son of Squire Cass. Later we will come to know who is Squire Cass, but right now we are coming to understand who is Godfrey Cass. Godfrey is good-natured but selfish. He was a bit selfish, and he was a good-natured person and weak-willed. He knows what is right but unwilling to pay the price for owing his conscience. He knows what is right, what is wrong, and he didn't pay the price for owing his conscience. Next character we are discussing, Epi, a girl whom Silas Marner eventually adopts. She was an adopted daughter of Silas Marner. Epi is the biological child of Godfrey Cass. She was the original daughter of Godfrey Cass and Molly Farren. The wife of Godfrey Cass was Molly Farren, Godfrey's secret wife. Epi is pretty and spirited and loves Silas unquestioningly. So another character after this, Nancy Lammeter. The object of Godfrey's affection and his eventual wife Nancy is pretty, caring and stubborn. The meaning of stubborn is jidkhor. The object of Godfrey's affection and his eventual wife Nancy is pretty. She was another wife of Godfrey Cass, caring and stubborn, and she lives her life by a code of rules. And she lived her life by code of rules that sometimes seems arbitrary. Another meaning arbitrary, arbitary, ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛନ୍ଦ ଭାବରେ, that is arbitrary, and uncompromising. That means she lived her life happily and she had her own rule. So next character, Dunstan Cass, Godfrey's younger brother माने छोटो भाई. Dunstan, as he is usually called, is cruel. He was very cruel, lazy and unscrupulous. unscrupulous, unscrupulous. The meaning of unscrupulous is अनैतिक. That means he didn't stand for justice. He wanted to do, he loved to do, and he loves gambling and drinking. He was involved in gambling and drinking. पोषा खेल मद्यपान निशा सेवन से व्यस्त थिला. Another character, Squire Cass, the wealthiest man in Ravello. That was the name of the place Ravello, and Squire Cass was the wealthiest man of that place. The Squire is lazy, self-satisfied and short-tempered. That kind of person he was, Squire Cass. Next character, Dolly Winthrop, the wheelwright's wife who helps Silas with Epi. So the meaning of wheelwrights, WHEELWRIGHT, जो माने काठ चक मरामती करिवार काम करंती, they are known as wheelwright. And Dolly Winthrop was the wife of the wheelwright. Helps Silas. She helped Silas with Epi. Dolly later becomes Epi's godmother and mother-in-law, and she became Epi's godmother and mother-in-law. She was kind, patient and devout. She was very kind, patient and devout. Next character, Molly Farren, Godfrey's secret wife and Effie's mother. Once pretty, Molly has been destroyed by her addictions to opium and alcohol. Opium कहले अफिम, निशा निवारण जिनस गुटे, निशा सेवन जिनस गुटे. Godfrey's secret wife and Appy's mother. Once pretty, she was looking pretty once. Molly has been destroyed by her addictions to opium and alcohol. मोली रो एठी ये जाइची जोटा हम कोई परिबा तार कैरेक्टर एठी क्षय होइची ड्यू टू हर एडिक्शंस टू ओपियम एंड अल्कोहल. मद आ निशार से भरपूर रोतला. नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर, विलियम डेन, साइलस प्राउड एंड प्रिगिस, PRIGGISH. प्रिगिस कहले नीतिनिष्ठ देखे होता व्यक्ति, प्रकृत किंतु नथिबा व्यक्ति. साइलस प्राउड एंड प्रिगिस बेस्ट फ्रेंड from his childhood in Lantern Yards. So Silas Proud and Prigg's best friend from his childhood. Silas' best friend was William Dan, and his childhood in Lantern Yard. William Dan frames Silas for the theft in order to bring disgrace upon him. Then marries Silas' fiancée Sarah. William Dan was the friend of Silas and he was Priggis कहले नीतिनिष्ठ देखे होता व्यक्ति, and he was the childhood friend of Silas Marner in Lantern Yard. So let me speak something about this. Silas Proud and Priggis best friend from his childhood in Lantern Yard. Full stop. William Dan frames Silas for theft in order to bring disgrace upon him, and that friend William Dan insulted his friend Silas. से इनसल्ट करथिला ताकू थरे, and he also framed him for theft in order to bring disgrace. से ताकू क्लेम करिथिला जे चोरी करिवा ये ताकू धरैथिला in order to bring disgrace upon him. Disgrace, उपमान को देवा. Then marries Silas finds Sarah. Then the childhood friend William Dan married to the fiancée of Silas named Sarah. सारा को से विवाह करथिला जे थिला माने सिलार भविष्यत वाइफ ताकू से विवाह करथिला. Then Mr. Mackey Revelos Paris clock. Mr. Mackey is opinionated and smug but means well. Opinionated OPIONATED opinionated निज धारणा विश्वास करुवा व्यक्ति. मिस्टर मैकी रेवेल्स Paris clock. He was a Paris clock. Mr. Mackey is opinionated and smug. Another meaning smug, atmasantushto. Self-satisfaction, that is known as smug, SMUG, but means well. That kind of person Mr. Mackey was. He was a Paris clock. Then we are moving to the next character, Aaron Winthrop, Dolly's son and Ap's eventual husband. So I told you, see, Dolly. We discussed about Dolly. Dolly was the godmother of Epi, and soon after that she became the mother-in-law of Epi because her son got married to Epi. And here we can write Arun Winthrop. Arun Winthrop Dolly's son and Epi's eventual husband. We are moving to the next character, Priscilla Lametta, Nancy's homely and plain-spoken sister. साधारण जीवन यापन करुवा झील गोटे Nancy's sister सी. And we discussed about Nancy. Priscilla talks endlessly but is extremely competent at everything she does. She was very competent, she was very experienced in everything she does. जो काम भी करुला पारंगमा वा पारदर्शिता देखौतला से सेतिरे. Priscilla Lametta. Then next character, Sarah. I told you about Sarah. She was the fiancée of Silas. Later on, she got married to the childhood friend of Silas Marner. Silas, now I am discussing particularly about Sarah. Sarah Pochikie, Silas fiancée in Lantern Yard. Sarah is put off by Silas' strange feet and ends up marrying William Dan after Silas is disgraced. As I told you that his friend, Silas' friend, proved him that he stole money, and after being stolen money he was living isolated and he didn't have any relationship with anyone. And then the marriage proposal between Sarah and Silas Marner was completely broken. Later Sarah married to William Dan, who was the childhood friend of Silas Marner. Now we are moving to the next character, Mr. Lametta, Nancy's and Priscilla's father. Mr. Lametta is a proud and morally uncompromising man. Then we are moving Zam Rodney, a somewhat disreputable character and a poacher. Poacher, P-O-S-C-H-E-R. The meaning of poacher is posu chorauthua vyakti. And he was stealing animals. That is why the name is known as poacher. Here it is written, Jam sees Silas in the midst of one of Silas' feats. Silas later accuses Jam of stealing his gold. So, a somewhat disreputable character and a poacher, Jam sees Silas in the midst of one of Silas' feats. Silas later accuses Jam of stealing his gold, and he accused Jam, Silas Marner accused Jam Rodney for stealing his gold. तार सुना चोरेवा ये ताकू से दोषी साब्यस्त करथिला काको Jam Rodney. Next character, Mr. Kimble, Godfrey's uncle and rebellious doctor. Mr. Kimble is usually an animated conversationalist and joker. He was a joker but becomes irritable when he plays cards. He has no medical degree and inherited the position of village physician from his father. He was like a false man in the society, and he used to behave like a doctor without any degree, and he was in the position of village physician from his father without any degree. He was acting like that, and people adopted him as a doctor or a physician in the society or the village. Mr. Dowells, next character, the town farrier, FARRIER. The meaning of farrier, घोड़ा नाल बनाउथिबा कुमार बा घोड़ नाल को लगेबा पई थिबा जणे कुमार, that is known as farrier. So the town farrier who shows horses and tends to general livestock diseases. And general livestock disease कहले पशु मान को जत्न नौथुवा व्यक्ति. He was a caretaker of animals. Mr. Dowells is a fiercely contrarian person जे पक्षांतर करुला सब बेले. He knew what was right or what was wrong, but he still supported a strongest person. Much taken with his own opinions, and he skipped his opinions for the others, and he wanted to win the heart of others. Mr. Snail, another character, the landlord of the Rainbow, a local tavern. The meaning of tavern, TAVERN, पांथशाला. मालिक थिला सी जमीदार थिला. By nature conciliatory person. Conciliatory, you can write another meaning of conciliatory, CONCILIATORY, तोषणीय व्यक्ति. Conciliatory person. Mr. Snail always tries to settle arguments. Mr. Snail always tries to settle arguments, and he always used to compromise some quarrels and some arguments. So another character, the peddler, an anonymous peddler who comes through rebel some time before the theft of Silas Gold. The peddler is a suspect in the theft. So he was the suspect in the theft of gold. So the peddler is a suspect in the theft because of his Gispy-like appearance. Gispy, I told you the meaning of Gispy-like, कला जातीय प्रकृति थिला, and he was looking like a thief, and that is why due to his posture and gestures he was accused or he was suspect in stealing gold. And next character, Bryce, a friend of both Godfrey and Dunsey. Bryce arranges to buy wildfire. The meaning of wildfire, युद्धरे यूज होता गोटे प्रकार तरल पदार्थ, and a friend of both Godfrey and Dunsey. Bryce was the friend of Godfrey and Dunsey, and Bryce, what was his job? He arranges to buy wildfire. से wildfire बा से बारूद बा तरल जातीय जिनस सब किणवा से अरेंज करूला. So next character, Miss Gone's sisters from a larger nearby town who come to the square's New Year's dance. The Misses Gone are disdainful. The meaning of disdainful, घृणापूर्ण बा घृणित व्यक्ति, घृणापूर्ण. So the Misses Gone are disdainful of rebellious rustic ways. Rustic ways कहले गाउँली ढग बा गाउँली ढंग जोगु, but are nonetheless impressed by Nancy Lamarck's beauty. So they belonged to a larger nearby town who come to the squire's New Year's dance program. The Misses Gone are disdainful of rebellious rustic ways. से माने घृणित थिले due to their rustic ways, गाउँली ढंग जोगु. So their posture and gestures were not like town style, and that is why they were impressed, or they are nonetheless impressed by Nancy Lamarck's beauty. Sally Oates, next character, Silas' neighbor and the wheelwright's wife. Silas eases the pain of Sally's heart disease and dropsy with a concoction he makes out of foxglove. So there is a word ड्रॉपसी जार ना हूँ जलांतक रोग बा जलशोध रोग. Another word is there foxglove धला फुल थी डेंगा गच. So Silas neighbor Sally Oates was Silas neighbor and the wheelwright's wife. जे चक मरामती करे करुवा काम करुवा से व्यक्तिर वाइफ थिले Sally Oates and she was the neighbor of Silas. And Silas eases the pain of Sally's heart disease. And the person Silas Marner saved the life of Sally Oates as he treated her for her heart disease and dropsy with convocation he makes out of foxglove, and he solved that issue, or he saved her life through, or he saved the life of Sally Oates after getting the medicine from foxglove.